just living life so true.
What's going on, guys? So now that I showed you guys a video of my Cobra, I'm going to be working on it more on this channel. I just wanted to give it an introduction like how I did my Miata, and then I was going to start working on it and showing you guys the modifications I'm going to do to it as well. So I've already worked on it because it gave me some issues when I first bought the car. The alternator went out, which is very common for these cars because the supercharger pulley goes around the alternator. So when you overspin the alternator, those are gonna usually mess up pretty quick because of the supercharger. I got a performance alternator, which is more powerful, but the pulley was a lot bigger than the original alternator had. So the belt is actually too tight now, and when I went to install it, I had to loosen up the alternator so it swings to make the space smaller. I put the belt on and then I placed the alternator. So now, as you guys could see right here, this is the alternator, the pulley tensioner right here, and to loosen it up, to take the belt, this is gonna go this way, and as you could see, that little mark is already over here because the pulley is too small that it's pulling this to the side, so it's not giving me any leeway. So if I wanted to take the belt off, I would have to remove the alternator and take it off. And so I bought a longer one from LMR, Late Model Restorations, and I'm going to be putting this one on, which should fit to the right size, and that's going to get rid of my issue where I could be able to take out my belt and put it back on if I wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that right now, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, guys, so for this job, you're going to have to remove the battery because the battery is in the way of your alternator. The alternator is right there. You're going to have to remove this top bolt and a bolt on the side. I believe there's 2 bolts on top and 1 bolt on bottom. So I think if I take this top bolt and the bottom one, it's going to be able to swing just to loosen up the alternator for me to take out the belt, so I won't have to completely take it off, but we'll see when we get to that point, and I'll let you guys know. Right now I'm gonna jack up the car and get to the bottom bolt, and then we'll see if it swings once I take the top bolt and the bottom bolt off. Okay, guys, so you got to take this what your battery sits on, this cover that goes right here, so that you could reach that bolt right there. I loosened up the bolt, but you don't want to take this off because then it'll leave your alternator free. You want to loosen it up, but just leave it in there for now. And then under the car there's that bolt right there. You're gonna want to reach in there, but as you can see, there's all these hoses in the way, so it's kind of hard to get to it. So what you want to do is just use a regular wrench. It'll be easier access to get in there, and it's obviously I mean, you got better tools to wrench bolts out, but for that one you're gonna need to use just a regular one and get that out as you see fit. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, guys, so it's a lot later in the day, and I had to go to Home Depot to get a bolt for the alternator because the belt was so tight that when I loosened the bottom bolt, the alternator, once it swung, it bent that bolt. So I had to take that one off, and it was bent, so I couldn't reuse it. I had to go buy a bolt for that at Home Depot. And my girlfriend had the daily with her, so I had to wait for that to come home, and then I went to go get it. And now, as you can see, it was late. The job got done very quickly. The changing your belt doesn't take that long, but it took me all day just because I had to wait for a vehicle to go get the last bolt. But that's gonna be it for today, and I'll be posting another video of what mods are coming for the Mustang, and hopefully I could also, as you could see, I'm working on the Miata as well. I'm working on a video with that, and hopefully I could get that to you guys soon too.